So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. They're trying to decide. Some of them are trying to decide, I feel like, how to get out of a commitment or some type of contract that they're in, possibly with someone else. For others of you, they're trying to decide when to come back in because maybe they feel like you don't want to be with them anymore. See, everything keeps laying on top of very soon. This person wants to come back to turn things around, but I told you they're trying to figure out when, how to do it, you know, and it's like they're trying to come out of being frustrated because, see, 1111, this person definitely, they're listening to their angels right now. It's like they know that there is a connection between the two of you. They want to have a family with you, a happy home, but they have to get out of something first. And see, oh, yeah, they've been taking their time. And this person's been moving really slow, okay? I'm going to skip the signs. Y'all done had me frustrated. Alright, so anyway, let me back up. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus, but I feel like this person's really upset right now because they're afraid that they're not going to have this victory with you. Okay. And they want to make things right. They want to balance things out, okay? Tell me more. But they left you out in the cold, you know, and this is why they're hesitating. So I feel like you're someone that they want to have in their life. Like, you're somebody that's very positive. You know, you speak the truth. You're very direct. And I feel like this is why in the past they were having a hard time, but they're coming towards you. But like I told you before, they're still moving a little slow because they're thinking about the situation in the past. They're possibly still around or dealing with someone from the past. And this is why they're not taking the leap just yet. When I said something about the past, y'all, I done got a headache. So I will say, this could be the good person coming back in, but they've been around someone that's very toxic or around individuals that are toxic. That's why they're not taking a leap. See, somebody's trying to get out of a family situation. Yep. And that's why they're frustrated. This is why they couldn't come towards you, but they're coming out of being frustrated and they're going to make a decision. Tell me more. But right now, they just don't know what to do. That's why very soon came out and they were saying they need to make a decision. See, there's a death card. Clarify? Yeah, they're trying to put an end to a situation in order to come back towards you to have a commitment. They want to offer you this commitment, but see, they're not listening to their intuition. I have 1111 again. Clarify. Look at that. Okay, so this is the good person, y'all. This is the good one, okay? But they're around somebody that's bad. Okay, so I'm happy because I thought I was about to have to go off on y'all. Unless cross-watcher, you dealing with a Pisces, then I'm still going off on them. But you get what I'm trying to say. So anyway, they want to be with you. This person cares about you. They love you, but there's somebody still around them. That's that toxic energy I was picking up on that's holding on to them for financial reasons. Could be family, but let's see. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but if I missed that, y'all know I'm in my zone. But anyway, they feel like you don't want to put any more energy into them. They feel like you don't want to have a new opportunity with them, but they're going to come back and speak their truth. Pisces, you could be dealing with another Pisces. They want to balance things out with you, but see, they got to give to someone else. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was coming out reverse, but then it kind of flipped on me mid, land. So that lets me know they are going to get out of this third party situation because they see themselves asking you out, celebrating with you, just having fun with you. But they got to make a decision. They got to make a decision because I'm seeing they're going to come towards you. They're struggling speaking their truth. They're struggling coming towards you to tell you how they feel, what's been going on. But you are going to get an offer from them, but it's a small offer because they know that you don't trust them. See, they're afraid that you're going to let them go. Okay. But they do want things to improve with you. And that's why they have to speak their truth. But see, where that landed, they're afraid if they speak their truth to you, you're not going to want to have anything to do with them. So this person's afraid of being rejected. Look at that. They feel like you don't want to build with them, but they're going to tell you. They love you. They miss you. They want this to work. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini here. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new start. But you're still going to get an offer. Okay, so this person's not giving up on you. Ooh. See what I'm saying? There is a big offer coming in for you. It's an offer of love, okay? I just heard go slow. I heard go slow with this person. And that made sense because there's the Page of Pentacles. You got to go slow. Yeah, because see, somebody's in their head. And honestly, the way this card landed, it's like it was somewhat on deception. It's like they're going through something right now with, I feel like that third party person on their end. See? And it's like they want to rush in to tell you what's going on, but they're like, okay, I got to figure this out because I know he or she is tired of me coming in and out of their life. You know, I'm not being consistent. And if I really want to be with them, I got to stay positive and do what needs to be done. See, they're working really hard, I feel like, on getting themselves out of that other situation. See, I told you, this third party situation. But they know that they broke your heart. See, and they're afraid that you don't want to have anything to do with them. They want to heal things. I told you, they stabbed you in the back. They did wrong by you. And they do not want you to walk away from them. But right now, they're not happy. Tell me more. But they're not moving forward with you. So even though, yes, they made the decision, they want to make it right, they're in their head right now because 1, they had you waiting around. 2, they were being sneaky. 3, they feel stuck in some type of situation. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Ooh. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like it's like they're losing hope, right? Because they messed up with you. And so they're coming back to speak their truth because the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. And that's why I'm telling you, you're going to get an offer from this person. Yeah, there's going to be direct communication. This person has a hard time talking to you because I feel like when they do open up, it's like, what they try to tell you, it doesn't come out right. Like, it's harsh. You know, very direct, very blunt. And it's just like, did you just really say that to me? Like, what the hell? So, I feel like this person, they're going to come to you. But see, there's still some fear here. Because they feel like you're not going to open up. You know, you're closed off to them. Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn. Tell me more. There are 2 women here. See what I'm saying? Somebody was juggling between you and someone else, whether it's like love, family, friends, whatever it is. There's 2 people here. And, well, hell, actually 3, because if you look at it like this, I have the King and the Queen of Swords with the Queen of Cups. So somebody definitely was cheating. You see what I'm saying? And this is why they're not confident if you're going to take them back. Y'all know how... Oh, this is getting messy. This is getting messy. Okay. So, your person, whoever it is, right, was dealing with someone else, whether, like I said, it's friends, family, love interest. One of the 3, because there's too many of y'all. Take it however it fits. The issue is they want to come back to make things right with you, but now they're afraid by the time they come back and make it right with you, you got somebody else here. That's all. That's a lot of people. So, they got to be confident. They have to be confident and come towards you. But see, this was their lesson. This was a lesson for them. That's why they gotta fight. Ooh, okay, there's a shift. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Let's see. Leo tried to jump out, but let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but yeah, this person didn't balance things out, but see, now they want to. They want things to improve between the 2 of you, and they have to communicate. I told you, it's like you guys are no longer reaching out. If they want to have a conversation with you, they're going to have to say something. Look at that. Oh, this person's coming back to give you a stable offer. Because they don't have a peace of mind with you. But I'm going to tell you something. This is money here. They're going through something right now, financially speaking. And that's what they're trying to work really hard on getting out of it. Because they want stability with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But they're stuck. They're stuck. Because they got to make a decision. And this person, they're keeping an eye on you. But then it's like they're wanting to come back and still work things out. See? They're coming out of being stuck, coming out of feeling frustrated, but right now they feel like things may not improve, and this is why they don't have the strength to come towards you. Could be dealing with the Leo. Okay. Pisces, I ain't gonna lie, that reading just gave me a headache. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, no, I'm serious. I got a headache. Okay, so let's see. Let me give y'all some advice. Okay, Spirit. Top 20 cards. Ooh. Top 20 cards for Pisces. What advice do you have for them? The situation that I'm picking up on with this individual. What advice do you have for Pisces, please? What advice do you have for Pisces? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I have the 9 of Cups. So, Spirit is saying things will improve for you. So, let's see. But this could be you guys having this poker face. Remember I told you this person's going to come back, but they're afraid that you're not going to speak up? See, I see the devil. They're afraid that you're not going to speak up. But I do feel like you guys are still upset by the way things played out, but at the end of the day, to everybody else, it's like you're good, you know, but behind closed doors, you're still upset. Now, for others of you, I am picking up that this person, they're still battling like their fear, their codependent behaviors. This could be them not opening up either, and you're tired of it. You're like, you know, you don't talk, you don't properly communicate, and I'm sick of this. See, this is why you're like, I'm not positive, you know, if I even want to have anything with this person anymore. But they're saying the seeds that you planted, they're gonna grow. Look at that. I have the King and the Queen of Cups. This is a soulmate connection. For some of you, it could be a twin. But didn't I tell y'all? It's like I picked up on both of you guys looking at this card. Both of you are reversed. Both of you are upset. You're emotional because you do miss each other. But you're like, I'm not going to be the one to start this conversation. He or she needs to say something to me. They messed up. I'm tired of always being the one trying to fix this. I knew it. That's why I told you. I was like, I'm picking up on both of y'all. God damn it. Because there's another woman here. There's been somebody else blocking and standing in the way, and you're pissed off about that. You're like, no, I'm not dealing with that. See? So you put an end to it. I told, see? And you walked away. You moved in another direction. You're like, I'm not competing for anybody. You can have her. You can have him. Y'all have fun with each other. Bye. See, you made the change because you were tired of them being sneaky. You've been healing because you repeatedly got stabbed in the back by this individual. So now I'm seeing someone's coming in confident. But you see what I'm saying? It's a lot of people here. You see what I'm saying? It's like there's somebody coming in for you, and like I said, this could be the new person, could be the past person, but whoever it is, regardless, I feel like it's past because of what I'm seeing here. You're like, you know what, now I'm confident in this situation. You kept leaving me out in the cold. You had to go. I had to cut you off. See, now justice is being served. So now this person, they're going through something with this other person or individuals that they've been dealing with. See, that I told you, there's too many people here. I feel like you guys have options, okay? I feel like there's been a lot of involvement with your connection. People have like been saying things or been in this person's ear, but at the end of the day, now you have options. Now you can figure out, okay, I'm talking to this person, I'm gonna talk to that person. Now I have to choose between my past and the new. Like, you're gonna have options, but I see somebody is gonna come in wanting to give you an offer, but you're like, because you left me out in the cold, I don't want to take a leap with you. Why is the Tower here? See what I'm saying? Pisces, I can't make it up. You guys have options. You have options, and even the way the King of Swords jumped out, it's like you don't want to cut this person off, but at the end of the day, you're like, let me kind of play out. You know, let me see what's out there for me, because I'm over this. See, you have a new opportunity coming in for you. There's the Hierophant, yep, and to see the 2 5s. So this lets me know you're still in your head a lot about this connection. And it's like, yes, you've been moving forward. Yes, you've been healing, but I feel like you need to keep moving forward. But I'm telling you, you got love coming in. You definitely have love coming in. One more. But you're feeling stuck. You're feeling stuck, not knowing what to do. It's like you know what you want to do, but then again, you don't. See, you can't sleep. You're in your head like, oh my God, like I don't want to make the wrong decision, but now I have choices to make. This person's coming back, but I'm talking to this person, or there's somebody new coming in. What should I do? Whew. Pisces, I ain't gonna lie, that was a little intense. But you have some options here. I'm gonna be honest with you. You definitely have options. So I would say whether it's someone new or this past person coming in, remember I told you with the retrogrades taking place and we're in the shadow period of Mercury retrograde, I need you to go slow. Because remember, just as quickly as they can come in, they can quickly leave right back out. And this mess ain't really kind of getting on. Let me see. When is this in? The 25th of July? So we're looking at maybe second week in August. It's the whole damn summer. You see what I'm saying? So I need you to go slow. You know, because you need to see, okay, is this person playing around? Or are they going to, you know, once this mess is over with, they're going to dip right back out. Go slow. Or if you choose not to deal with them, you don't deal with them. But I don't know. This person is giving me this energy where they're not going to let you go. Like, they're really going to try to prove themselves to you. And, you know, if you want to let that happen, then fine. Let them prove themselves. But, y'all, this gave me a headache. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Pisces, please leave me some comments. Like, y'all gotta tell me what I just saw, because that was a lot, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. Right now, I'm not taking any new personal requests. I definitely need to get through my emails from May 1st. But once I get through that, I promise I will post up a post in the community section that my readings are open. You guys can send me an email, okay? All right, Pisces, I love you all. I hope that you guys are staying safe out there, and I want you to take care, okay? Bye. Okay? Bye.